Chris, good morning, and thanks for being with us. What a quarter, but I wonder if you can give us any data from the last few weeks since that quarter ended regarding consumer sentiment. Has it stayed strong, especially in light of the numbers this morning?
Yeah, good morning, Deirdre. Thank you for having me on again. Listen, we had a strong quarter, and when you look at what we're seeing for Signal, our team executed really well in the field to capture market share. Consumer sentiment is strong. Restaurants are busy. Restaurants have been resilient, and we're seeing demand in our customer base. So no material signs of weakness in the restaurant space, and that bodes well for the business.
Chris, what are you seeing in terms of dining or dine-in versus takeout and delivery?
Yeah, we're seeing dine-in come back, certainly. So dine-in has certainly come back during the Q2 and Q3 timeframe, but there's still a steady amount of takeout and delivery. Off-premise is here to stay, but restaurants are adapting to make sure that they offer and support the dine-in volume, but then complement that with off-premise when it's necessary. So we're seeing both of those revenue channels really hold up quite well.
No, Chris, I saw that you added 6,000 net new locations for the first quarter ever. Obviously, you're growing so much, but I'm wondering, as you look at the whole market, how many more restaurants do you think are ready to add your software right now? I mean, this is all about the digital transformation play, but some companies may not be ready to make that investment or may not have the resources at the moment.
Yeah, Julie, great question. So listen, first off, if you look at the bigger picture, the restaurant industry is a $900 billion industry in terms of sales, and restaurants are incredibly complex, and we're helping them streamline their operations, drive revenue, and then drive staff productivity. So we're only 8% of the U.S. total addressable market, so at 68,000 locations, there's another 800,000 locations to go after within the U.S., and we're only 1% of the $55 billion U.S. TAM. So we're in the early innings of a longer transformation that's going to happen across the restaurant industry. So that gets us really excited about the future if you zoom out.
But, Chris, I have to return to Deirdre's questions about the sort of overall economic uncertainty right now. Are you concerned about a consumer pullback later in the year? And how do you think that could impact the ability for some of these restaurants that are not using your software yet to come over?
Actually, we think that our platform plays into their ability to adapt. So certainly, listen, at the macro level, if you look at macroeconomic conditions, like any CEO, I'm watching all of the signals that we can watch. We've not seen any material headwinds yet, but our platform is really helping these restaurants adapt. We're helping them drive more revenue. We're helping their staff deal with productivity with less labor. And then we're also helping them on the food front when it comes to inflation, understanding their food costs and how to really maximize their menu profitability over time. So we feel like we're on the good side of helping restaurants adapt to the recession warnings that they're seeing in the market.
I'm curious about the restaurant market overall. It's pretty bifurcated, right? You've got some huge chains to work with. They might have CIOs that are buying your software, leading in digital transformation. Then you've got a lot of small businesses for whom this is mission-critical software. I'm noticing you offer 24/7 support. Are you thinking that you're just going to have to keep scaling that support organization? Is that something you're factoring into margin over time to buffer out your losses?
Yeah, good morning, Lay. Good to see you. So when you look at the business, any business like Toast that's a SaaS platform really has to drive people efficiency, process efficiency, self-service, and automation over time. So as you've seen this year, we continue to create more and more leverage in the business, and we're on that path to profitability. But certainly automation and self-service comes front and center. So I mentioned that yesterday on the earnings, Toast Shop allows the ability for customers to go online and order more hardware, order more software. When you look at customers who are onboarding on our platform, many of our customers want to onboard themselves. So roughly 1/3 of our customers are onboarding themselves onto the platform, and that's becoming more and more efficient. So over time, you're going to see us drive more and more efficiency across people, process, and technology so that the business gains even more leverage.